I would like to talk to you about my grade in CMSC 131.
Oh. Hello. I'm just on my lunch break.
Yes. But I really need to talk to you about my grade in your class.
Okay. I will wait to eat my lunch even though it is 4 o'clock and we have been teaching classes all day, had 2 department meetings, held office hours, and not had a chance to eat or pee. What can I do for you?
I'm worried about my grade in your class. I'm worried that I might be passing your class. Am I passing your class?
Well, I don't have the grade server open in front of me here on the way to the Stamp Food Court, so I cannot say exactly. What grade did you get on your first programming project?
I got a D.
Did you revise it past the release tests?
No, I did not.
What grade did you get on your second programming project?
I also got a D on that one.
Did you attempt to revise that one for a better grade?
No, I did not. Am I passing your class?
What grades did you get on projects 3 and 4?
I got a C- on one and a D on the other.
Out of the 12 homework assignments, how many of them did you turn in?
I believe I turned 3 of them in.
Why only 3?
There was one I meant to turn in, but I didn't understand how to do the assignment.
Did you ask me for help or clarification?
No.
Did you see one of the teaching assistants for help?
No.
What about the other assignments that you failed to turn in?
My computer got a virus. Am I passing your class?
Have you attended the lab section for your class this semester?
I went to 4 labs.
You can pass the class if you do not attend the lab section.
Oh good, I went to 4 labs. Can I have extra credit for attending them?
No. You should not miss any labs. You do not get extra credit for attending a class that you are supposed to be attending.
Can I do extra credit to pass the class?
Today is the last day of school. You just took the final exam this morning. The semester is over.
Can I rewrite all of my projects to try to get a better grade? I can work on them tonight and turn them in tomorrow.
Let me get this straight. You mean, you want to work on improving your programs overnight because you did not do any of the programs to pass release tests during the 15-week semester. And now you think you can rewrite them to work in less than 24 hours?
Yes.
No, you cannot. And besides, tomorrow is Saturday. Campus is closed until then. Extension semester starts.
What grade did I get on my final?
I haven't graded them yet. You just turned them in 2 hours ago.
Yes, but I'm worried about my grade in CMSC 131.
How do you think you did on the final?
I'm not sure. I didn't quite finish.
But you left early before the time was up.
I know. I had to make a phone call.
The last question was heavily weighted. How much of that program did you get done?
I believe I wrote half of the program. I'm worried that I won't pass your class.
Why weren't you worried about your grade when you got a D on your first project? Or why weren't you worried when you got 2 more D and a C-? Why haven't you come to my office hours to get help or to revise your essays for a better grade?
I'm not available during your posted office hours.
Yes. But I always come in early or stay late so that I could accommodate any schedule. I offered to have a phone conference to go over projects. I suggested you go to a tutor to go over your coding and problem-solving issues. I offered that you could email me your drafts and I would stay up late after grading tons of projects to give you feedback on it. But you never did any of these things to improve your grade.
I was planning on doing extra credit.
I don't offer extra credit.
So, then what are my chances of passing CMSC 131?
Based on what you just told me, you don't have a chance in hell of passing CMSC 131. You only got a passing grade on 1 out of 4 projects, didn't turn in the majority of your homework and left the final exam early to make a phone call rather than finishing the test. Not only have you barely done any work this semester, not once have you tried to get help or improve your grade.
That's not true. I just asked to do extra credit. And you won't let me. You are a terrible teacher. I'm going to write a bad review of you on the Rate My Teacher website.